Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the blogging websites. I already have a video about the WordPress website, how we can promote the WordPress website, and what are the plugins that are mostly needed for a successful WordPress website. And you can view that video also. Today we are going to talk about the Blogspot blogs. सो अगर आपका ब्लॉग ब्लॉगस्पॉट में है तो हाउ यू कैन प्रमोट ऑन ब्लॉगस्पॉट बिकॉज इन वर्डप्रेस वी हैव द फैसिलिटी that we can just download the plugin, search the plugins, download the plugin and install them to our WordPress website, and it makes our work really easier as compared to other blogging platforms. However, every blogging platforms, or for any website, any platform, every platform have their own characteristics. So it depends on which platform you are comfortable, and on which platform you have the experience of working with. So today we are going to talk about the blogspot blogs, how we can promote the blogs in blogspot. So I hope you are going to learn something new in this video. And the topic we are covering in this video is how we can get the traffic to our blogspot blog. I'm not going to teach how to create a blogspot blog because that's very basic, and I'm assuming that if you are watching this video you already know about how to create a blogs, and how the blog functions. Because if I'm going to teach from the scratch, then I must need to teach what is blog and how it works. So I'm assuming that you know what is blogs, and you can create the blog in blogger.com. So blogger.com is part of google.com, and it's very good platforms. So advantages of using the bloggers for your blogs are: you are getting free SSL. Whether you are purchasing WordPress, or suppose you are hosting your website on WordPress, then what you need to do, you need to purchase an SSL. There are Shopify and other stores which are also provides you the SSL, but the thing is you have to pay something to them. You cannot run your store freely for all the time, but Blogspot gives you that facility, that if you are ready to work as a subdomain of the blogger, like suppose your name dot abc.blogspot.com, then it's free to use, and you can start it for free, and after some time you can buy a domain and put that domain. So let's start the video. Let's talk about how we can get traffic to our blogspot blogs. So the first thing is forum posting. Do not forget forum posting if you really want to increase your traffic. There are other traditional SEO ways and SMO ways, but the forum posting is best from all the strategies if you want instant traffic. There are many good forum posting websites, and we are going to talk about them right now. So let's start. So to find forum posting websites is not difficult, and you can easily find a list of forum posting in Google very easily. But what the difficult task is that many forums are not working, their links are dead, broken, or they do not accept your registration. So I hope these all sites that I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to tell you much more sites. I just wanted to start from easy part. So the first forum posting website that I'm going to suggest is, and that I have used and I found it very useful to get traffic to my website, is Digital Point. We are also going to look at the traffic that this website is getting. All right, it is still loading. Let it load easily. So here we can see that this website is getting approx 300k visitors per month and increasing day by day, month by month. So 300k means much more that than a normal website gets, and you can easily get more than 1000 visitors per month in your first month. And how you will get that visitors, let's learn here. I already have an account, but if you don't have any account, you need to create an account. Let's log in. All right, so now we are inside this forum. Now what we are going to do is just go here, forums, and here you can see these are all the blogging topics, and you can easily go to any topic that you find um, that you can help someone, because people here in forum posting are posting the questions, and what you need to do, you need to answer the questions. You can also post your questions, and that's one way how we are going to get the traffic. So let's start, guys. Like I have a blog called steamyiron.com. It's a blogging website. So suppose I'm going to this thread, let it load. So the most important part is to post your answer, post your questions in relevant thread. It should not be like that the thread is about the Google AdSense and you are going to post your questions of Google Analytics. That is going to ruin the game and you might get banned. So let's start. We are here, placement, reviews, examples. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post new thread. Click on this tick. I believe placement, reviews, examples is the best section for this topic. So I can post anything, uh, like my blog, uh, Google AdSense enabled, so but my revenue is very low, so I can post something like that. put it in questions part. My AdSense is approved but revenue is very low. Any suggestions? This is enough. Like, here is my blog. So here I am going to put the link of my blog. One more thing, provide them your link in your shortener. Sort your link and then post your link. Okay, let it load. All right, I am going to copy the link and close it. All right, I already have a link here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to post it here. That's all. My work is finished now, and I'm going to I can also post a poll here. My ad placement is perfect. Suppose like this, and yes, no. All right, all right. So I'm going to create this thread. All right. So this website is not accepting the shortener. All right, we are going to put the website link itself. Oh shit. I'm having an error. I need to find the error. Alright, let's go away. Alright, it's my question. And I'm going to create the thread. Oh shit. URL shortener is not allowed in Digital Point Forum, keep in mind. And it does not accept any redirects. The website is encountering an error for now. Alright, it is already posted. So here you can see that my AdSense is not approved but revenue is very low. Any suggestions? So whoever is going to post the answers, they need to visit my blog and they need to check all the ads that I have placed on different pages, and according to that they are going to post their answers. Because in the forums it's important to post the quality answers to get ahead and get some rewards. So it is perfect if your bounce rate is very high and traffic is very low. Suppose you are getting 50 to 60 only traffic, then you can start with the forum posting. Forum posting will definitely help you. So it's the first method we can try to raise our traffic on our website. The process is similar with all the websites, and you just need to create an account, post the questions and answer the what people asks. Like here someone asked, AdSense didn't approve my website. So this is the website. You can also answer the questions. It is very simple, very easy, but it's very effective method. So the first method is this. All right, they are not they are having the tough times, but they need to find the reason. So suppose whatever you find, you are going to post it here. So the first method is the forum posting, and I'm going to close it now. The second most important website is Reddit. In social networking we only know about the Facebook, but let me tell you that Reddit is the mostly crowded website for getting the traffic. It's because the structure of the website. You can see this website is very dull, and you do not like the design of this website either. It has many glitches, but it has traffic. And here you can see 1.37 billion traffic it got in December 2019, और फरवरी 2020 में इसका ट्रैफिक 1.31 बिलियन था, और ये 1.5 बिलियन के आसपास ही रहता है. तो 1.5 बिलियन बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होता है. तो हाउ यू कैन गेट द ट्रैफिक फॉर योर ब्लॉग, लेट्स discuss about that. Here, as in the Pinterest there are boards, here are also boards, and there are board for travel, blogging, etc., videos. So suppose this is about the videos. So what you are going to do, you are going to post your videos only here. So let me tell you some interesting thing. All right, so here you can see, here is a board called videos, and here you can see what is important for you. 40,000 people are online right now. This board has 23.3 million members, and it has 40,000 peoples online. So you can imagine how powerful this website is when comes to get the traffic. Here you will find the videos where the users only have 50 to 60 subscribers, but their videos are getting thousands of views within very few days. So Reddit is also very good website for getting the traffic. Let me tell you, suppose you have travel related blogs, you can find this is a travel board, and you can post everything about traveling. And here you can see 884 people are online here. It's very less, but it's not as compared to our website, because our websites are getting nothing as compared to this website. So whatever I'm going to post it here, there are chances that people are going to notice it. And there is one more thing. Here is a voting system. It's upward and downward. If your website, your link is successful in getting the most engagement, that you what the Reddit will do, it will promote your listing, and approx every member can see your listing in their timeline. So Reddit, according to me, is the second or the first most important social networking website to get the traffic. And the third website, according to me, is upsense.com. It is a website. Here you can also share your content, and you can create the boards, you can create the pages. uh, there is a website called Facebook. You can create the similar pages over absence, and you can get the traffic. And there are other websites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr. These are also very good websites, but if you are going to start it, you need to start from these two most important ways to get the traffic. I also suggest you to create account on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. If possible, then promote on YouTube also. You can create some short videos, and if users find it helpful, then they will definitely visit your website. So I'm not going to create a very longer video. So these are the two ways how we can get the traffic on our website using these two methods. I hope it is helpful for you. You need to try these two methods. You need to find 4 or 5 bookmarking websites and then move ahead. You can also feel very distracted because of the design that reddit.com offers, and it is natural to appear when there are websites called Twitter and Facebook, Google Plus. They have very good site structure, but as compared to them, the Reddit is very lame. It appears very short, and no one thinks that Reddit can do this much for you. But the thing is that Reddit is most powerful. Reddit is also getting the traffic in billions, and the very positive sign of the Reddit is that it has bots. If your post is doing better, then they will promote your post to all the members who have already joined the board, and your website is automatically going to be promoted. So that's all in this video. You need to try these things. At initially, you can start with 5 forum posting websites and move ahead slowly. If it is helpful for you, you can let me know if it works for you or not. It worked for me, and I got the traffic in the past. And currently, I use this technique sometimes. So thank you. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. And one more thing, that whatever is not working for you, please let me know in the comment box so we can find any answer for that. We'll try to do that work in from some other technique. So thank you. That's all in this video.